Welcome to my channel, Sugar and Spice. Gina here. So in my last video, I gave you guys a little teaser about what this video would entail. My last video was about the 4 brands of denim shorts that you need out of like the millions of brands that are out there. And what this video will do is show you how to style those denim shorts, at least my interpretation of different vibes, different moods. And I love making these kinds of videos because they just allow me to play dress up. Even though we don't have a stay-at-home order, it's not like we're going anywhere, I'm dressing up or doing anything. So this really allows me to take out my shoes, take out my dresses, you know, and just have a good time. It's just playtime for me. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do enjoy making them. So before we get into it, please subscribe to my channel. It always helps a new YouTuber like me. Give it a thumbs up, ring the notification bell, and all that good stuff. It helps, like I said, small YouTubers like me. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Actually, before we do, I would love some interaction. So please, in the comment below, tell me which vibe was your favorite, which video was your favorite. And also, I'll link most of the things that I show on the video, but some of them, believe me, are like 10 years old. And so I don't even know if I would be able to find something similar, but I'll try for each of the outfits that I show you. So, like I said, without further ado, let's get into it. Enjoy. So that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed making it. Like I said before, comment below which outfit, which vibe were you feeling the most, and let me know which one you would rock. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and let me know if you have any ideas for content. I'm always open. Please don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.